My English book, Grade 2, Unit 2, page number 27. 2.3 A visit to a farm. Look, listen, and repeat. Hut,
hut,
goats,
goats,
hens,
hens,
chickens,
chickens,
berries,
berries,
farm,
farm,
farmers,
farmers,
scarecrow,
scarecrow,
cows,
cows,
pot,
pot,
bullock cart,
bullock cart,
vegetables,
vegetables,